Okay, let's dig deeper into the data interface so that you can use the most out of our table of records. So you can see that you can utilize the filters on the top of every single row. So if I just write in white, it will filter these rows, but you can also utilize the type of the filter, which can actually significantly switch the meaning of this. So this actually switch to doesn't contain. So it just, done completely the opposite. So you can use this to filter the results you need. You can also mix and match these filters, and then you can use this to actually reset it. You can also click on the header of any column to use it for sorting. So if I just want to sort by name, you can click here, or just ascending, descending switch by showcasing this little blue line on top of the header. If you click for the third time, you have removed this sorting based on this column. So it's pretty important to filter, for example, orders and other timestamp related data based on the column with the time of change or time of update. So if you scroll all the way to the right, you will see more settings that you can do to your table. So here you can actually select more columns that you will see, or you can hide some of these columns that are not relevant for you. So these settings will be then saved and applied to your particular device. So it means that when you look at Boost.space from smaller screen from a different device, it might have a different set of columns saved versus your super large screen in your office. So here is where you add custom fields, and I'll talk about that later. And now let's explore all these individual features that you have on the top of the screen. So on the left, there is another set of filters that can help you to filter data based on labels and based on other things. And these filters are special because they can actually generate this special URL that you can bookmark. You can actually even place it to the Boost.space desktop, and you can always come back to this particular set of filters. So these are filters. You can also group the data, so you can group the data by status, label, category. So in this data set, I don't have a good example, but this can actually help you to show you data in these groups. If you click on the show, you can now modify to see which scenarios are saving data into Boost.space. So if you actually scroll to this, you will see that 12 hours ago, this particular source, this particular Google Sheet was trying to update this column. But as you see, there is no integration yet trying to synchronize or update data in the labels column. So this is for scenarios that lead into the Boost.space. You can actually do the same for scenarios that lead out of the Boost.space. And if you want to see which data have been modified when, on hover, you can click on this, and it will show this little icon, and it will tell you when there was the last time the data was modified. You can use conditional coloring so that you can actually color the rows by certain color. Let's just try that. So let's select the part number, and the condition will be if it contains number 9. Let's highlight it with the primary color. Save it, and only this one particular column was highlighted. You can then click here to actually sort by color so that you can now find what you need. So here again, you can assign the fields. And the last thing I want to show you in this video is the difference between the split view and the full page view. So if I click on any record, you can either click on this, double click, or right click and open. You will see that its detail has popped up in the in a full screen. If I go back and toggle the split view, what will happen is it will actually slide from the right side while still showing you the context of the data in the table. So depending on what you are trying to accomplish, this might be more convenient for you. So these are some of the advanced features that our table offers, and I'll see you in the next video.